In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort this table based on column that is in the table. So here we have the hotel guest table. We have different columns here. We have the hotel location, number of guests that the hotel can accommodate, the occupancy rate, the number of guests, the percentage canceled reservations. And what we're going to do, we're going to sort this table based on the number of guests. We're going to sort it from smallest to largest, right? Now I've highlighted this range of cells, which is A7 through H7, and the hotel location is India, because I want to show that when we do the sort, the records are maintained in their original order, meaning we will still have the, for example, the hotel location India, the number of guests that the hotel can accommodate will still be 9,500, and the current occupancy rate would be 70%, and the number of guests that the hotel has at this time is 6,650, right? Now, when you're sorting your table, you don't need to highlight this row. I'm just showing it for illustration purposes that the table not be mixed up. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna select the range, the data range from A2 through H13. So we're going to click on the cell A2 with our left mouse button. We're going to click on it and hold it down. We're going to move the mouse towards the right in this case to select the entire table that we want to sort, right? So what we are doing, we are sorting the table based on this column labeled number of guests for today's video, all right? So I'm going to reselect the table range for you, the range of cells. Then I'm going to make sure that my home tab on the ribbon is selected. Then I'm going to go to the editing group, and I'm going to go to the sort and filter option. I'm going to click this drop down arrow, and I'm going to click custom sort, right? So here now I can choose the different columns that I want to sort the table by. So I want to sort it by the number of guests for today's video. So I click on it. We want to sort it by the values that are in there, right? So if I had a color there, I could sort it if the cells were color coded. So I'm going to sort it by the values, which are the numbers that are in the column lay under the column title, number of guests. Now I'm going to sort it for today's video according to smallest to largest. I'm going to click OK. So there it is. You can click outside. So here we have 4,080 guests, and the highest number is 9,600 guests, right? So this is how you would sort the table based on a selected column, right? Now I'm going to sort it by the hotel location for you. So I'm going to select here the range A2 through H13. I'm going to come again, make sure that my home tab is selected on the ribbon. Then I go to the editing group. I click the sort and filter drop down arrow to give me the custom sort option. Then I'm going to sort it by hotel location. I'm going to sort by the order Z to A. I'm going to click OK. And here we have the United Kingdom, which is listed after Trinidad. And here we have Antigua is listed the other way. If you wanted it alphabetically from A to Z, then we'll come here, custom sort, and then we choose, click here from A to Z, and there it is listed. And here we see the table is not mixed up. It maintained the records for each of the rows that is shown. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, I showed you how to sort the table based on one of the columns in the table. So in next video, we'll be looking at the pivot table. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.